Hi, now we'll be starting with valuation rule number 31A, which talks about value of supply in case of lottery, betting, gambling and horse racing. The very first thing you need to know is that valuation for lotteries is given in your sub rule 2 and valuation for your betting, gambling and horse racing is given in your sub rule 3. Your sub rule 1 is an overriding provision which says that it does not matter what is given in the GST law or in the valuation rules. Value for betting, lottery, gambling and horse racing will be done in the manner specified below. That is what we'll be doing now. So it's an overriding effect saying that it doesn't matter what is stated anywhere else. ये सब supplies की valuation इसी तरह से होगी. Valuation sub rule number 2 talks about valuation in case of lottery. It says that the value of supply of lottery shall be deemed to be 100 divided by 128 of the face value of the ticket or the price notified by the official gazette by the organizing state, whichever is higher. Now what does it mean? Let's understand with the help of an example. Now very first thing, that there are many states that have their own state run lottery. Like there are around 10 states that have their own state run lotteries. Maybe for example there is Kerala state run lottery, where the Kerala government is conducting certain lottery issuing lotteries. West Bengal government also issues certain lotteries. Goa government also issues certain lotteries. So here you have some state run lotteries and sometimes you also have certain license to private dealers as well. The valuation for both, whether it be government state run lottery or the private organization, is done in the manner specified below only. So let's see what they have given. That is your 100 divided by 128 of the face value or the price notified by government, whichever is higher. Let's understand with the help of an example. Now let's say Kerala government is issuing or supplying certain lotteries. They inbuilt the GST into the price of the ticket. So if they are selling the ticket for rupees 1000, this 1000 rupees includes the GST amount. Okay, and the GST on lottery is 28%. It is fixed that the GST rate on lottery is 28% as on date. So this 1000 rupees includes 28% GST and they sell it to the recipient. Find us the value of the lottery, the price of the lottery. So what is it? Basically we are saying that 100 at the rate 28% will grow on to become 128. So this figure includes the GST amount. So we'll write that rupees 1000 includes the GST rate of 28%. So we will want to find out what is the amount excluding GST. We'll do a cross multiplication. Cross multiplication में क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? जो भी टिकट है वैल्यू का into 100 डिवाइड बाय 128 करेंगे, हमको आंसर आ जाएगा. इट इज रुपीज 781.25. So what did we do? We did 100 divided by 128. That is exactly what is given here. Is deemed to be 100 divided by 128. तो जो भी टिकट का प्राइस है into 100 divided by 128, you will get the price of the ticket excluding the GST. Simple. It just looked complicated. Now, what if I tell you that the price notified by the government, ठीक है, ये तो फेस वैल्यू था, टिकट जितने पे बिक रहा था. But what if I tell you that the price notified price of the ticket by the organizing state was given as rupees 2000. Then calculation किस पे होगा? 1000 या 2000 पे? फेस वैल्यू था 1000 जिसपे बेचा था, बट नोटिफाइड रेट हायर था, तो विच वन यू विल टेक? सो दे से दैट ये दोनों में से जो भी हायर होता है that is to be taken into consideration. So if the notified rate is 2000, we will take 2000. So simply saying that the ticket का जो है price, you will take whichever is higher. So in case of supply of lotteries, the value of supply charging GST shall be higher of the following: face value of the ticket or the price notified by the organizing state. अब ये क्यों ऐसा 100 डिवाइड बाय 128? बिकॉज जब भी गवर्नमेंट बेचती है टिकट्स, लॉटरी टिकट्स, वो प्राइस के अंदर जीएसटी इनबिल्ट होता है, इसके लिए हमको उसकी वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ती है. ठीक है, सो खाली एक रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन के लिए दिया हुआ था. दिस इज योर रूल 31A सब रूल 2. नाउ योर रूल नंबर 31A सब रूल 3 talks about valuation in case of betting, gambling and horse racing. अभी महाराष्ट्र में भी रेस कोर्स पे बेटिंग होती है घोड़ों पे, इट इज अलाउड. गैम्बलिंग भी होता है गोवा के अंदर. ओके, गोवा के मे बी इट इज अलाउड ऑन द वाटर्स. देयर आर सम casinos and ships and gambling is allowed. Okay, it depends from which states. Some of the states have allowed gambling, like for example Goa. उसके अंदर क्या होता है, अगर बेटिंग टिकट जो है उसके अंदर जीएसटी इनबिल्ट नहीं होता है, तो उसका सिंपल सा है दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ सप्लाई टू विन बेटिंग, गैम्बलिंग और हॉर्स रेसिंग शैल बी 100% ऑफ द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द बेट और द अमाउंट पेड टू द टोटलाइजर. टोटलाइजर इज अ पर्सन हु इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ बेटिंग, हॉर्स रेसिंग, गैम्बलिंग. सो जो भी तुम पे कर रहे हो, since it does not include the GST amount, whatever you pay is the value of supply. For example, one of the biggest lotteries is Bet365 Limited. It is a supplier of gambling services, and this is the recipient. Recipient makes a bet of ₹1,000. So what is the value of supply? It is ₹1,000. That is what they are saying. It is 100% of the face value of the bet or whatever amount you pay to the totalizer. तो अगर 100 rupees है, it does not include the GST amount. So this is the value of supply. Only in case of lotteries it includes the GST amount. That is why you need to do that calculation. Otherwise the provisions are very, very simple. And this 31A was introduced via amendment 2020. Notification date was 8/2020, dated 2nd March 2020. And they have said that in this amendment, they have said that the GST rate will be 28% on both state run or state authorized lotteries, which would have effect from 1st March 2020. So the calculations for lottery, that is your 31A sub rule 2, that calculation is for both, whether it be a state run lottery or a state authorized lottery. Previously there was a differentiation and different provisions were given. Luckily for you all, this is just one thing you have to learn, और उसका ही lottery, all lotteries का एक ही calculation है, which is super simple. So that is it